Hi, this is Anachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Amber Enterprises Limited. So this company has a good market share in total room air conditioning market, and it's a prominent player in air conditioning industry in India. So the stock is quite expensive currently, but the stock has a good technical and there is a strong reversal in the trend for short term. So the stock has potential to give a 10% return for short term, and the breakout of the price range of 3800 will trigger a further rally. So there is a huge good news flow in this stock. So now this stock is very bullish, so it's good to go along in this stock for short term. So the stock was listed around the price range of 1000 and it fell down till the price range of 650. So after a good range of consolidation, the stock started moving higher. So after a good rally, the stock once again started distributing. So it's distribution actually. So we can consider the price range of 3800 as the primary target in the stock. If the stock breaks the price range of 3800, then we can consider this as a reaccumulation zone. So this stock gave a clear reversal in the weekly chart. So let's move to the weekly chart to understand further. So let me clear all this to understand the charts further. So let me draw the trend line that governs the stock. So this can be considered as a trend line because it connected two lows. So the stock currently after hitting the support level started moving higher. So it's a good pin bar actually. The demand is rising. So it's good to go along in the stock for short term. So take entry above the price range of 3300. So 3300 can be taken as the good entry for the stock. So entry can be taken around the price range of 3300, and the price range of 3600 to 3700 can be taken as a target for the stock. So 3700 can be taken as a target for the stock. So 3700 price range is almost a 10% upside from the price of entry. So after that, the stock should break the price range of 3800 for a further rally. So stock is trading quite expensive, so it doesn't matter in a bull run. So take entry above the price range of 3800 or else enter at current market price and ride the trend till the price range of 3800 and add more if the stock breaks the 3800 price range. So it's good to go along in the stock. So now let's move to the daily chart to understand the feasibility of the target. So let me move to the daily chart, but before moving to the daily chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description and hit subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published. So in the daily chart, the stock once again looks bullish because it's a good candle with a good volume. So volume is more than average and it's twice the average. So it's good to go along in the stock for short term. So the stock is bullish, and once the stock breaks the price range of 3800, the stock will rally till the price range of 4500 very easily. So be cautious in this stock because the price range of 3700 to 3800 is a very hard resistance to break. So if the stock hits the price range of 3700 and if it shows some reversal, just consider exiting the stock and re-enter only if the stock breaks the price range of 3800. So currently the stock is bullish and one can go along in the stock for short term gains, and the price range of 3700 can be taken as a target for the stock. And if the stock breaks the 3800 price range, it will trigger a further rally. So use 50-day exponential moving average to ride the trend and exit the stock if the stock breaks the 50-day exponential moving average. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button, join us on Telegram, and finally thank you for watching our videos.